In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, tap on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!